If I want to say x equals to range 8, so for I in x, I is a number in x, print I, okay, print the number. So if I print that, I will get a list or a range from 0 to 7. So it will print from 0, it will start from 0 always, and the range, the number 8 won't be included, it will end up till 7. So anything that I write here, if I write 4 here, the range will end up till 3. So you can see 0, 1, 2, 3. If I write, so anything that I write won't be included. If I write 6, it will end up till 5. So that will be the range, and it will always start from 0. I stands for a number in the range in x. For I in x, print the numbers, okay? And end till number 12. What it will do is it won't start from 0. This is the starting number. So it will start from 6 and it will go up till 11. So if you just have a look here, sorry, it starts from 6 and it will go up till 11. It won't include 12 because that's the number that it won't include, and this is the number that it will start from. Okay, if I have two numbers, it will work like this. If I write 15 here, it will start from 6 and end in 14. Okay, so you can just have a look at the result. Okay, I have a number 2. Okay, so the formula changes. This number is where the numbers will start, the list will start. This is the number where the list will end, and this won't be included. It will end until 14. This number means that you have to skip twice two numbers, and then it will print the another one. So after every two numbers, a number will be printed. So if I play this, so you can see that 6, it starts from 6 and it ends in 14 because 15 is not included, and it skips a number. So after 6, 7 is skipped, and then it's an eighth number, then 9 is skipped, then it's a 10th number. So every second number is included. If I just have this, like if I want every third number to be included, so it will include 6 and then it will be 9 and then it will be 12 and so on. So this number um, okay, so it start with -6 and then after every and ends at 14. So it's going from down to up, so from a minus number to a plus number. So it will be every second number, so -6, then -4, then -2, then 2, 0, 2, 4, 6. That's how the thing will be like. To be printed in a reverse range, I reversed, and you can see that it's being printed in a reverse range. So I've just added reversed before the range, and the formula is same, and it has printed the same thing in reverse range.